Hi, and welcome to Patrick Parson Workshop. Got a new knife. It's the Spyderco Tenacious, and if you've looked around online and on YouTube, I'm sure you've seen this knife a lot. It's getting pretty popular. So it's got the trademark round hole in the blade. That's a quick way to flip the blade open. But how do you do that? So it was a little bit harder than it appeared. Those guys have obviously practiced that. It's not something that just comes natural. So I got to where I could open the blade slowly using the hole and my thumb in the hole, and that wasn't too bad. So I figured if you want to open it fast, what you would do is just kind of move your thumb in that semicircular motion, in that arc motion quickly, and you could open the blade quickly. That wasn't the case. You don't want to make that motion to flip it. You want to make a motion straight up like that. So once I knew that, you can flip the knife open just like that. So it takes some practice. I didn't do it the first time, but the first time I tried it with that motion, I could tell that it was going to work with just a little bit of practice. So that's how you flip open the Spyderco knife. Definitely recommend this knife. Go get one. It's a lot of fun, and thanks for watching.